Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a hollow triangle pattern plot. So let's start this. So firstly we'll import matplotlib. So here matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the pattern and numpy is imported as np, which is used for mathematical calculations. And now we'll create a function. So in Python we create function using def keyword. So this defines a function where rows determines the size of the triangle. And now we'll define triangle vertices. For that, so here these coordinates represent the three vertices of an equilateral triangle where x1 y1 is equals to 0, left vertex bottom left, and x2 y2 is equals to rows minus 1 0, which is right vertex bottom right. And now we'll store the boundary points. So for that we'll write So a set name point is created to store xy coordinates for plotting. And now we'll generate points for triangle edges. So for that, this iterates I times to generate dots along the three edges of a triangle. And now we'll create the bottom edge. And this places I dots along the bottom edge x-axis. And now we'll create the left edge, which is interpolated. So this linear interpolation uses to calculate intermediate points from x1 y1 to x3 y3. And now we'll create right edge interpolated. So for that we'll write So here this uses linear interpolation to calculate intermediate point from x2 y2 to x3 y3. And now we'll plot the points. So here it is used to separate xy coordinate from the print set. And now and this sets a 6 into 6 figure, and this extracts x and y coordinates from points and plot them using plt.scatter. And now we'll add a suitable title. So this adds a suitable title to the plot with font size 40. And now we'll remove the border and text. And this removes x and y text for a clean look and removes the surrounding border frame. And now we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and at last we'll call the function and now we can check this. So we can see a hollow triangle pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.